Meet the WD-160M2 manual butt fusion welding machine, a precision-engineered solution for PE and PP plastic pipe joining. Designed for pipes ranging from 40 to 160 millimeters, it delivers consistent, high-strength welds with intuitive manual control. Operating at 220V with 1.71 kilowatts power, it ensures rapid heating and stable fusion cycles. Its robust construction supports heavy-duty field use, while built-in safety features enhance operator confidence. The machine includes calibrated temperature controls, precise